Is data recovery possible after PS4 factory reset?
Hello, and welcome to today's video. We're going to address a question that's been on the minds of many PS4 users. Is it possible to recover lost data after restoring default settings on PS4? This is a critical issue because restoring your PS4 to its default settings, or factory reset, typically erases all your saved data. Let's dive in.
What happens during a PS4 factory reset?
When you perform a factory reset on your PS4, all the data stored on the system's hard drive is completely erased. This includes your game saves, downloaded games, user profiles, and any other settings you've customized. Essentially, the system is returned to the state it was in when you first bought it. Therefore, it's critical to back up your data before performing a factory reset if you don't want to lose it.
Is recovery possible?
After a factory reset, the immediate recovery of data on the PS4 system itself is generally not possible. Because the PlayStation 4 uses a proprietary file system, regular data recovery tools that work on PCs or other devices usually don't work for a PS4's hard drive.
Is there any hope?
Although data recovery on the system itself is tricky, there are still ways to retrieve your data if you have previously backed it up. Sony offers a few options for backup and restore operations, which we will discuss next. PlayStation Plus Cloud Saves. If you're a PlayStation Plus subscriber, your game saves are automatically uploaded to the cloud. These can be downloaded and restored on any PS4 system, as long as you're logged in with your PlayStation Network account. External backup. You also have the option to manually back up your PS4's data to an external hard drive. This is a handy feature Sony provides for exactly this sort of scenario. If you've done this before your factory reset, you can restore your data by simply plugging in your external hard drive and following the on-screen instructions. So, to answer the initial question, recovering data directly from a PS4 after a factory reset is unfortunately not feasible. However, if you have backed up your data to either PlayStation's cloud service or an external hard drive prior to the reset, you're in luck. Always remember, it's crucial to back up your data frequently to avoid losing your progress and settings. We hope this video has been informative and helpful to you. Happy gaming!